Brick and Sandy rescue Tymak's assistants and learn that the doctor has gone to the moon. Following him through the mysterious crystal door, Brick and Salisbury are trapped by Zuntar, lunar dictator.
I've called this meeting to inform you that 2 exiles have entered the forbidden area. They are to be given a taste of the fiery death. Our danger grows unless we complete plans to annihilate the entire exile colony. Give heed to this.
Looks like we walked into a trap.
I know we have.
And now tell me about your Earth planet. Is it a place of great civilization?
It has passed through 4 periods of civilization in 10,000 years.
Must be a planet of great peace.
Earth has just suffered the ravages of a great war in which over 1 billion of its inhabitants opposed each other.
And which civilization was the victor?
In wars, there is no victor.
Your Majesty, news has just come of 2 more exiles entering the palace grounds.
Have they been taken?
Yes, the fiery death has been ordered.
You call them exiles. Are you certain?
They wear the same garb as this one. I am still certain he also is an exile.
I'm convinced, Zuntar, that this man is from the Earth planet.
Stay the sentence, Queen Khana, and discover for yourself if the 2 your premier speaks of are also from the Earth.
Let me speak to them.
Is that your wish?
It is my command.
How are we going to get out of here?
That's what I'd like to know. Prisoners are still alive. Bring them out.
You may speak. Who are you?
I am Professor Salisbury, and this is my friend Brick Bradford. We are Earth people.
I know you're here to seek me. I am Dr. Tymak.
Clarence.
Why do you seek this man, Earth dweller?
We feared that Dr. Tymak was in danger. It seems that we were right.
And now you too are in danger.
So we found out. You always greet strangers with a pit of fire.
Have I not ordered you saved from the fiery death?
If it was you, many thanks.
Now that you've seen them, Your Majesty, we shall return them to the dungeon.
See that for the present no harm comes to them. The man Tymak I wish to speak with further.
Akbar, take these 2 to the dungeon.
We found Dr. Tymak.
Yes. Now we'll have to figure out how we can get together with him.
I wonder what they mean to do with us.
From what I've seen, won't be anything very pleasant. Your prisoner, a girl.
Any idea who she is?
She might be one of those exiles they keep talking about.
If we could talk to that girl, maybe we could find out how things stand here on the moon. How do we do it? Professor, if you lie down here on the bunk,
Oh, I call the guard.
And after that?
we'll trust to luck. Guard! Oh, guard! This man needs attention. I got him. Get his key. Lock the door. Exiles?
Yes, but who are you?
No time for explanations. Who are these exiles and how can we reach them?
We are a democratic faction forced by the dictator, Zuntar, to live in the wasteland. You'll have to fight to reach them.
All right, we'll fight now and talk afterwards. Dr. Tymak,
You haven't much time. The palace guard saw what you did with the dungeon keeper.
get into that guard's cloak and helmet. I have to have 2 more. Try this closet at the end of the hall. Fine. The professor's in the next cell. Warn him.
Yes, what is it? Call out your guards. Surround the dungeons. No one must escape.
You seem disturbed, Zundar.
Prisoners are trying to escape. I've just set the guards on them.
See that no harm comes to the man Bradford.
I hope we may never again see him alive.
This time I give the orders. Bring him to me, alive.
I begin to have difficulty with you, my queen.
I have decided to become queen in fact as well as in name.
We shall see.
Know the way out of here?
Beyond the turn in the corridor, there's a door leading to the courtyard. We can leave through that door across the courtyard.
Get back and see if everything is clear. To leave. Turn him off. out who they are?
They're lunar guards.
Is there no chance to get through? They got half the distance travel that we have. We'll have to fight our way through. Take them alive!
I'll take you to my father. I'll vouch for these friends. They're Earth people.
Never see you again.
You can thank our friends, Father. These are Earth people. My father, Edward Preston.
I thank you from my heart, gentlemen.
Professor Salisbury, Brick Bradford, and I'm Doctor Gregor Tymak.
It is my pleasure, gentlemen. Whatever we can offer is yours. This is my chief aide, Mr. Davis.
We are most eager to learn of the opposing colonies on the moon.
You have been among the lunar people. There you saw the result of greed for power.
Yes, and a great fear of a possible enemy.
That will always be found where dictators rule. But let me go to the beginning. Sit down, gentlemen. Many years ago, I was a member of a group of scientists on the Earth who perfected a means of reaching the moon. We established advanced methods of agriculture and manufacturing. It was a utopian civilization. I was honored by being chosen as its head. Then there arose one who saw what could be done by controlling for himself all our advancement. Zuntar is his name. He is now the premier of the lunar colony. In reality, he is its absolute dictator. He gathered about him the worst elements of our colony. By treachery and stealth, they trapped the rest of us who believed in the democratic way. Zuntar set up a puppet queen, Khana, and rules his enslaved people with an iron hand. We live only for the day when we can unseat Zuntar and reestablish justice and liberty for all the people on the moon.
Well, I feel sure that Dr. Tymak and Professor Salisbury join me in a pledge to help you in this crusade.
Our people will be as grateful to you as I am. I'm curious to know, gentlemen, why you made the journey to the moon.
On the Earth, we too have made great scientific advances. The atom has been split, generating a fearsome weapon.
We have used such knowledge to feed, clothe, and keep our people in comfort.
The Earth is not yet a utopia.
In searching for means to harness this new force, I found a metal which has that possibility. It is Lunarium.
I don't believe I have ever heard of it.
It is the name I gave it because I discovered the elements exist only on the moon. It has an atomic weight of 200.
Oh, yes, I recognize it now. We call it duosant. It is created in molten lava by centuries of pressure and heat.
I have been able to perfect a space transference and came here to the moon for a supply of Lunarium.
It is available in an area which includes the only live volcano on the moon's surface.
But, Father, that's in lunar territory. We're forbidden.
Yes, that will make it difficult. The area is heavily guarded.
Well, if you can guide us, we'd like to try at reaching that volcano.
I shall be honored to lead you to the area. And now, while you have a day of rest, I will arrange the expedition. Carol, I leave our friends in your care.
I'll show you to your new home.
Thank you. We'll be ready to leave tomorrow.
Let them get in closer before we attack.
There's lava, Doctor. I'm sure we can get a sufficient amount of the Lunarium out of it to serve your needs.
We can get a better view over there.
Sandy and June also to be prisoners of Zuntar?